Abusafo high Gypsy News. Mima Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot news enamede brabo. Na ansana and something na bebano. So we now subscribe ya. Bomodi ya say over subscribe. Na like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wofufro so na we be here na wo hu and someone ekoso ewo Ghana me mo hanam. Afi you share a year and someone abeto yapno so. Inkuti a yes report ya ababetu ya momaiti a yes report.
There's one jandam I want to kill. And it's got to do with this woman. Your friend Patricia AJ. Mami we aberwa poso. Mami o aberwa poso a our parliament o di MPP for any more parliament. Mami aberwa kra. Ni seat na oteso Asante Memu no. Because we are Santini on fa bibi ambafie enso sebio mini anuma Santifo ni bi mpentu 20. Maame we atena akonwa no so de ahwe ne mma ne nananom enye sika se bem ema Jonso abo mo te se de Jonso abo akokọ e won constituency. Na maame panyini we ya sebio enche obetra nananom ansie do akosiesie nsamampo ma ye ne nkora so sebi yewu a yato omo akonwa bibi partner no oda ho di atro. And debia metra na mekasa embrewa a omudi duku ahye shomonufu ase ene atro ene azan omudi ewo politics mu a omse memu ade bebia wadui wa body ti ede eye achichidi echi ntuma wa bobo ahye ne nufu ase akotena ahye full dross ahye trousers akotena ni constituency edi atro ede na brewa poso we eye e won the constituency e dey atro no akodi mom yenhwe na yente abrewa we ne draw soto. Honorable Patricia AJ, Deputy Minority Leader in Parliament, engaging in a friendly chit-chat with her constituents into offering crime and na offer plane eko Kumasi ofi baby a poor baby a habo baby a plane papa esi and na ofu plane bi de ko Kumasi. Na adwene mu no omom wo Kumase e won the constituency no sebi o madwene wo fom omon kenkan omonim de ekoso na okoduru Kumase ne constituency no okokan sembi kire omo the constituency wo efa oral ho mame we na deputy minority leader of parliament sebi o endem ne gina wa MPP ni bi o se otwin bia because mame we de wa benchen Mami we de onimumra chen, mami we de honorable, mami we de onimnyansa on dia tro, mami we ko ne constituency. Ena na oni omudi nkomo, mami we oyabrewa poso. Patricia AJ oyabrewa poso kra. Now, mumi anko tie asema na oka kire ne constituency no, efa oral ho. Na woni bibi MPP for emunkora enkokora emrewa omo ya beifo omo pesa Asanteman be tumpon omo mu Asantefo dodo no se omo adwene wo form sebi omo gimi and every single time no omo nya opportunity what they do is they lie to them, they make them believe say sebi omo adwene wo form ti de omo beke bi oso mo gidi enti okon constituency no okogada omo tewo no ena omo busa no yesi ade wo firi nkran ba de na ekoso won nkran ye na etie kurase nkran de poda ho aha puni ha apatra nkwan ena ye nom efirisa ha de untumi nya salmon ene enampa edapum we de gatemu nam apatre ene edien antrohwiase ene yawi enti na wo firi nkran ba enti boy nkran de ekoso ubuofu na poda ukrom apunda ukrom yeka salmon yanchibi won Asante yache salmon Asante mu rewri yanchibi wa Asante mu apofe yanchibi wa Asante mu eya enam is a swordfish yanchibi wa Asante mu enam papa ya wi a ye fe ne shark yanchibi wa Asante mu enam eda eya insuoma omo hyen ya omo kono maba herrings papa yanchibi ewo eya de Asante mu enti ne bone ne sen Uba Asante Memu a Lake Bosomtwe aya patre gatemu nam Enketenkete patra. Apatre na owe. Na me so ofri nkran aba. Na ofri krom baby a ye nam. Ye tu nam. Kennedy de nam fri abrochire ba abrochi nkukoi edi nkan sinkran ansa na bakumase. Ubu ofu sen. Fact na me state no wadwa. Ojimi ko no awudwa kwan. Tie me. Inti de anima ne say de tilapia ya ne abo box ne de nsuo gum no mu dem tetra. Tilapia se de ukọ Egypt a omu de feedi de nkukọ because tilapia nya nam bia ya riye kese an. Debia acid kakra unto wiase wabodam inti tilapia de afu. Inti adwene ne tilapia bebre ba enam papa nyina afri nkran. Na wo de mo miambra asem no so. Patricia AJ ba eye Asante memu ena oche ne constituency no omomote ne constituency omotoma no. Ohun so sebio omadwene wo fom obeka nkran asama kire mo bo abroaposo ye de ha na ewo wo de nkran na wo de hu TV so mo de abrojire na mo de mo fine say I so mo nkran omo benpo omo tumi ko sweme omo tumi nya breeze anadwo so omo call body beach omo tumi tina ho na omo dwene enti enim say ende nkran fo na ba ofri nkran anam say ne bo nkran abraboy bo de ekoso wo nkran na ye de ha na egugu omo gugu mase ene ye to nkwase aba enti wo de boy so Mumienko tie asema na oka afa eye ora ho na senia wadane no kore aye na atro ede to nipa bitrim abra oye minority leader o maami we eye aberwa poso we aye friend Patricia AJ onim the role of oral onim oral ejuma baby a ekosi de oral betuma aye onim se oral entumi fo bia nkogina court Mami we onim abrewa we onim se oral omni power to arrest sa abrewa poso we onim se oral omujuma die and say omubagege de information efri nkofo oh minim sa Patricia AJ we wi Ghana sika koto dan e hon krata de monje na mo fanko ba atene general so betime di hudwuma oral dwuma omudi no omo jejejeje den enkofo ano sam ene den adanse ni nyina so no makeka bom no na koma atene general say de yensa akani hwehwem say nukrebi o ma nipa no fa no kogina court inti oral adwuma no omo nchi nipa omo prosecute omo nya ban a sebio aban ti omo ka omo nya judges Patricia AJ nim oral fo adwuma no enso koduru ne mantem bebi a ya wi apatre de tufuo so no hwese ne okọ kyerɛkyerɛ asɛm mu kyerɛ omo every say obema omati asie se chema wontumi abokro no ora na ache no MPP fo mu wi asika nyina no mamum blemu obia mum blemu ora every say ochina ye chechema wontumi ahoso ye ba be kyew maami panyini abrewa poso maami panyini awoto afu dwene tumi wo de yeden atro wo de yeden untumi nka no kore mumienko tie abrewa poso we mumienjudwemu ha Patricia abrewa abra na memfa won kire ewiase amansan nyina hu watro
Attorney General, you were court also Mati Ora, the constitutional basis, and can the over one is only a bit baby near Hofano. Baby, I didn't ever found now much. Now, a year, Ubefi say, be I went to many action, and they went to media, I had to son and crop worker, and so watching a near before me. And see, Emrano and Mahu myself, who betis our ora. It would intimate, who feels so be a bonia Fanaco. Fanacoma, Attorney General, no one yet. And the people should say, Yoko, or you should move. If you can move now, yet, now when we said, if I know from the attack, the court, I prescribe Since when I yoko, when I be catch a coffee be with Razana. And to see I am from Rano and to baby. What? Yeah, from due process. Man, yes, and I was a yeah. The Beba said, Sakasaka. What I say? Obia near Befano, Obia near Befano, you do fear and panic. And also the Yampany. What I say? Because the war and a wire of propaganda. And I wouldn't say, hey, Abani, a fool, I say, and a Nipan Swato. A fair whoop, a quenya would be justified at the end. Into whoop, quack of fast system, and the fear and panic. Ever Baba Cheers, Yampany. So, yes, I didn't die. Because there was a kind of four who said, with the Akufo some and draw and other bears at it. Oh, very well. Nina, Dankasa, dear fool. And I make some for was a some young one who better announced to be Cassa. What I said, I don't know, but I could. I have as I did this. What I say? Was he 11? You did and Passwa and some one couplets. And that was why you have no then, and then Mamma Brabaya ding the hills van the year. 11 a year through. Was why you have flew. We are not another 11 above. Yet, friend. Energy levy. Who taught petrol 1 gallon? Which you have 4 CDs. I was so. And I tell my own there, never got to 20 CDs or Chinabacoda 40. Nina, because one no, Uncle Fanny and Manaban. Cano, a double. A piano, a bull, I had because Cano, a double. See, what would Yamano say is equal? Sana, dear, nada. Into obey you were not the way so better. And then, you're near money, yes, a COVID levy, a year free. Ye almost try COVID levy, who say a year free near mad, that's and think, yeah, come once I feel no matter what. Oh, we are show phone so we here be beer. A bachelor say, oh, COVID levy, and so you say, what's the gun amount? I would here. With the more 400 million, no man are dating. I would do 50 million ever to your coca as I say was what took 401 million and what they better. Young person will be having a Yes, so I went to oh, at the power, why? It's just here, and you ever quiet him. But you're not better than Yagini. Nanny Pano at the Pano or Honson, yes, and then Quadra school as a Quadra feeding. And say, and cook on me and any of them. And so I never risk. Or by one night I had myself. Sammy discarded my one. No, I could talk about it. And now I can say what I trick. And then no, and run that way. Sanity and this. And this.
Sir, I feel what I feel I would say. Asante for politics, no, MPs, no, send your mubu muso Jimmy. It is plain in your face. Because MPP for MPs, mubu Asante for so be kwasiafo. What was media Asante for them? What in some kekajrom? Asem we want to mean kranka. No radio station. Want to any community in Accra and speak like this. Osro offering po. Want to mean kojina sekendi takrade. On to me kojina any part of Ghana, said the Volta region. No, I got to know kwasi asem na omo to say oh I am pa. Na dey omo yenjin. But they choose the location to do their jandam. Enti omo din kwasi asem kodin wa santimemu. Hwe ma me panyini a wote parliament. Oh ya minority leader. Wa hwehwe wo more say beifobia oda Mozambique bola so at your age. Wakuta phone. Omo mujina o ton phone na ebetuma edwetira momo. Almost see tuntum. They are not willing. They are too attached to the party. And these people come from Accra and they fool them. Oral, the band oral chi will be Ghana. Yet Nkrumah na chairman want to be a Akufo Addo be a quiet. Say yonko tu a good dear and kwasiafo asantemai asase bi anywhere da ho 100 acres a yemfa sankae. San kwasiafo no mutiwe. Asas omutumi nkyerɛw asase bi da santimem a 100 acres a virgin forest. Ebi ni asantimem. And mami penyini a enche obewu. Hwade o tena ho keka. 11 no ye nyim firi wo. Oh, oka 11 no. Osini agege teku tempoa. Won si bi oka asem no. 11 no mo de be so Ghana fo na omoji sika ni di koye party. 11 party. Ebe ya ho yi no. Ose o 11 na ye kapre ene sempoa na ye age. Mami penyini o. Kobusa na sesa ne ma nyina wen. Kohwe edan a odem na hwe susupon fo no mu di ne chi no edan a musu dem. MP no mu asantefo no dodo no se o mu agimi. San kwasi akasa we ontumi nka bi won kran. Osuro enkran ye krom. Otu wakasa no a 17-year-old kid will Google and say, "Madam, you are lying. You are very disrespectful." Enkrani akwara, enkrani maame penjini ontumi metena okeka san kwasi ase we nkyere no. Ba won omo asantefo ni bi say dodo ni nko school. Majority are the foolish masses. With all due respect, I have to say this. And omo fri nkran, the language they speak in Accra no are different in what they speak in Kumasi. Yes. Into utie ni argument. Chema untimi o, ochena ebe ye wo. Chema untimi edie na oye ye cheche mu kire omwe. Charge ben ye dia born wo court. Die na court se waye. Nanka oto nanka grada pace with na eku ato atwene because mo na mo say asante man. Mo na mo say asante no. These are the people omoma nipa because asante for be enkurasefo because you see omo fi enkran ba. They don't tell them what they do in parliament oh. They don't tell them the truth oh. They come to lie to them and try and get just vote. Mami we opeso di MP akobi so bewu. We're doing the menopause level. Ya kasa go super na fifre tete no. And so still was all the hu ginem. Dey na manate parliament no e sika. Eya hunya. Send your bet to match and more to some Mozambique before. Na what the car near friend honorable. And so koto moja kwa mfa bimba fie. Kohwe na e sinkran. Oyare pede na kwa brochi na kohwe na ho yare. She is using her constituents to survive. Because the moment you betwe to akonwa na obewu. Into these people no motenchen they are her fuel. Ni nyankopon ni omo. When these people take her out, she's going to die. And she has used them for years to survive. And can you constituents or team or CIMP and Kweku? Now we are here at a Bible. And we keep telling you people, these are very dirty people. It does not matter age. MPP ni osa we Jimmy onyina obodam. Mesi pona ene esuruwisa e ho wonfa so che MPP for. Pona ne suruwisa, rentia ne suruwisa. E ho wonfa so che edien eye MPP ni. MPP ni does not think. It does not matter so enyini o so we Jimmy onyina no obodam onti bibia se mesi rentia ene esuruwisa e ho wonfa so che MPP ni mesi Bawumia no nam ho no oni Kennedy mesi eye den efom eye de ade afre no eye mefe ene eye brisie e ho wonfa so che Kennedy ni Bawumia. These are people who don't represent anything. They have no shame, they have no integrity. Under the NPP for 8 years, Mami went to be the NPP for him. Ambassador, Yembia se we are hospital na me abrewa. Me no menopause ba. You bet me the makoto. Mami went to my side no. Now think crying. Wakane nim at say Iraq before and all this sika. When to men the NPP no man santimemu anka say eye den kumewu anase eye den eye afare yembie na santifo obi enyima ontumi nko wo ho na oten kran na odi makeup aye de nim te say Cambodia sofoba ekekan kwase asem won kran when to man NPP na maye eye de hospital asantimemu and wabo mesh aboro star hye de more say the eye de ko to form e wo Uzbek Pakistan abetena say enti asie ene kapre ena sempoa kuomo to twene Nyankopon ne ahontoye. These are the people that almost destroy Ikruwi. They have no intentions of helping the people. They are known for lying. These are dangerous, crazy people. Me we mo me mu omo ba akokra. These people, I don't respect them one bit. One. Me mu omo ba akokra. Me mu omo say tafre. They are capitalizing on the ignorance of the foolish masses to make or enrich themselves. That is what they do. Why MP for how long? Can you give me, Mr. S? Give me this woman's profile. How long has she been an MP of that constituency? Kobusa constituency say almost anything they can mention this woman's name. And these are the people they are worshiping and they are calling honorable. Yari etuane to. See a tu ni to adeswa 6 months will be wait. No yari a chain biblical incantations. No yari he is using them the constituency no and the bloodline. The day of the losing elections, no watch our 6 months will be because a no a Trump card honorable. She can get a diplomatic passport. She can go see her doctor. She can travel and go by house. That is her Trump card. Into constituency ni visa ni omo. If you try to take that visa from her, she will kill you. With all due respect, I'm not saying she's going to kill you, but literally that is what she's going to do. Into omo ti wono sanko fo enom gune chino omo so mo Jimmy. Ofin kan naba. How many years now mami we the MP? Unim how many years we the MP? But answer what is the significant thing why you're on the constituency? Be beautiful lines on one constituency. They cannot mention one significant thing. Amami we aye. And so the man they are millionaires today. Asokwa. Yeah, this year, ya mama no, ya mama Patricia AJ and o Jimmy almost say eto. Ya mama Patricia AJ, ya mama no asokwa de and o Jimmy omo and o de omo nyesika dia her visas. The Trump card no. Her survival depends on these ignorant fools. Because almost omo kwan so omo besua de. Omo kwan say omo de omo tribe beto nchen. Omo de sebio omo bidi omo Jimmy beto nchen ebusa nsem. Ese abana yeto no e de mo bedi Ghana so no. Na nko so mo busa say ye bedi mo bedi Ghana so no. Asante ma me de na wo ye maaye. Omo ntumi musa no. De omo yan say okwa na omo 100 Ghana. No mo nim tumtum ase nkokuo yate ase ye mpene ye nti ase o ye beto aba kwase ade se ya na ade ache na ade asane esie bi ne ye ne enyenyam na ye no nkwase ansa na ye boye hundua na ye dane ne ye sadowa nkwase asam saa na Yesu aba enije fe na enije a e wo se aban eye manipa mu dodo no omu enya bi no mu de ewu. There are so many preventable deaths in the Ashanti region. John Kuma no ye MP wa Ashanti region yare born anajo ye nya hospital for nanko owu Asante memu onam kwanso no owu ye. And these foolishness. I know biti baby or say o Kevin did pay na me nya akwara asa o. Me matra 18. Me yire frame me Kevin. Ne kunu ne me ma frame dad. Me nya akwara asa o. Wait, me dinner tema, me say me dinner tem on any punch you. Me have crossed that stage, you better say, where the penina table. Me a dada. It me did that tema, not that be dima tema. It's dada to dada. It me a wafa. So me do offer be a turn over be dima tema. It is wafa to offer. It don't underestimate me and say me di penina tema, but damn. Only me answer. You ready? This woman is rubbish. Where Apo me say ti asem ya Kojo Oppong Nkrumah kan Kojo Oppong Nkrumah say team this is a profile my member the profile nchema there Patricia AJ with Jimmy Asantefo Asokwafo how many years my mention how long I was spending parliament ochina mon friend butan say abreway e dia na wa ya amaye we Jimmy omo ye ma me de ye nena na te ha o na ode hwa ne ho yare ode o madane eye den akobam ene eye elephant ointment na ode chini ne sisi ode the constituency one dane elephant ointment ene na ode san ho yare mo hwa ni profile ni onye oni suban ba akumpo politics AJ was a deputy minister for Ashanti region from 2001 to 2005 now a deputy minister with Jimmy Omwache fucking and was shortly appointed a deputy Ashanti regional minister in 2005. Obedi a whole regional minister. Mumusa say a dear pano obetumdia can di time obedi regional minister or not PJ. Obey a deputy regional minister of Ashanti region and then a regional minister. Mumusa say time obedi regional minister. A dear pay part of it today says so. En kwasi afuwi. Omo de asokwa for omo nevisa ni omo. Eye the insurance cover. Asokwa an insurance cover. Enya asokwa nkuwu yarefo. You see, from 2005 to 2009, she served as the municipal chief executive for Kumasi, not Oyo Kumasi MCE. MCE. From 2005 to 2009. Now, here there, she is currently a member of parliament for Asokwa constituency after beating former deputy local government minister Maxwell Kofi Juma to win the New Patriotic Party primary election and subsequently won the parliamentary seat during the 2016 Ghanaian elections. She won the 2020 general elections to represent her constituents in the 8th Parliament of the Fourth Republic of Ghana. Patricia AJ is currently the most experienced female NPP MP. In 2017, she was appointed by Nana Addo Akufo Addo and approved by Parliament to serve as Deputy Minister for Environment, Science and Technology and Innovation. She is a board member for the Nuclear Power Ghana. Mumbusane say, with all this, Obetu didn't say Sibibisu Asante Memu. None. Zilch. We bloody fool we omtitiwo any yeso so oboso. Wait. God damn it. Mompe abrantie bi ana abayo bi a ne husisi ne ho so a or understanding the modern day technology na on to me mo hwa Ashanti regional minister no mompe obi te saa ma ne medi monim ene yete wo na emrewa we maame abrewa poso we menopause dware no we e de na waye deputy minister de me se onfa ne nsansia de ba ko peso Asante me wo kwa soko a ye maame Patricia de beto ama no e bia ye se ntwe ono a onfa hwe ma muntumi nya abrante wa ne ho sisi ne ho so ema ne nkoka ma asamo mamo emfa mpuntuo mafie wey incapacitated which way incapacitated nyanam de ba you drug addict de ko kind na come no incapacitated which way now my mention my dear because Oppong Nkrumah can be fa eye je ekofo o say je ekofo muntie Oppong Nkrumah
commodity enya dia mo betima ton ni bi o ma Ghana for aton
unim JH Mensa
yes say no a former
Joseph Henry Mensa ono no ne John Ajekum Kufo a call contest 95 before the 96 elections ena John Ajekum Kufo ekodi ncho be I think just around 39%. When you have 39% of valid votes cast. JH Mensa time I ever call primaries. If my memory serves me right, 98 or so. JH Mensa argument na we say na banchi Agyarko dwomu ayantono. Ye besa asansa biom de akọ. Na Kufo na ye de na call election when win no. Onye marketable. Party 40 no nka say ate but ye hwemu etumi hu say ono no ye candidate to be na nampeni party for edit John Ajekum Kufo buy obi onya 39% will be 50% plus 1 ebe one of the most successful presidents that Ghana has ever had.
But the circumstances
Mahamadu Bawumia ye kana say if I just may land Mahamadu Bawumia ye kana say me ono krampo he performed better than John Ajekum Kufo at his first election.
Yes,
Kufo first election onya 39%. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia enya 41.7%. And so we hear all the difficulties are your womb in 2024. Now still, Otumi Mashale ye bedu 41.7. Ye wa regime and himself party for do now. A regime said the argument doesn't hold. Rather no, say you keep faith with him. Na ye boa dia yina ye to sin yina ye improve ni pia. We'll be able to cross the 50% plus 1 vote required in the 2028 election.
In the Akufo Bawumia analogy,
yeah,
the circumstances a bit different. In that, in the case of Bawumia, frontline NPP politics for 16 years, and Sana Obabeye, the flag bearer, a vice presidential candidate 2 times, Afenyo Markin Obabeye, vice president 2 terms. That's 16 years. Na part of flag bearer. Na elections ne cost the coin na. You can't compare that to Kufwa.
In fact, enukra na a buttress me argument no. Use a 2 year to say ice block. Yet the 2 in someone na started melting. Mo favorite poster. Musa Dankwa.
Yes.
Ne post be and say I'll say President Mahama from 7th of January 2025 ABC time or year poll no. I think in Q3 no. Nani approval ratings what? Mebwa. Emma, a analyst need to start a year about why an approval ratings no within these months no. SOT. Sana to me and ne yemfem there's so much promise around you. Yeah, the show sa. Obo say a lot of people will now start having me pay we menya until we me bofu issue we until rather candidate na onona than he was riding on promise. Abina na atnem MPP abina na atnem 8 years, and that's why some talked about breaking the age not even being a good slogan. No, who they won't offending Kofu aspirations. Yeah, miti.
Akwa okay there. He did not even answer the question. How could you Oppong okay or is stable there? The issue is simple. You cannot justify Bawumia's failures, Bawumia's abysmal performance after being in politics, frontline politics for 16 years, not just frontline politics, being a running mate for 8 years and being a vice president for 8 years. You cannot use Kufo. You cannot use that analogy to justify Bawumia's abysmal performance. J.A. Kufo about power. Now MPP were parliamentarians saying. Kufo came to inherit 0 parliamentarians, and at the end of the day, he move it to 66 parliamentarians. And I'm a Kufo, that time no I running mate. He moved it from 0 to 66. Was Kufo a running mate? Had he offended people? The issue here is you cannot say Kufo in his first trial, no, Kufo got 39%, and that Bawumia after 16 years in prime position, running mate for 8 years, vice president for 8 years, head of economic management team, everything was centered on you, and then you get 41. You want to use Kufo to justify Bawumia's failure, Bawumia's incompetence, Bawumia's abysmal performance. Now, he was asked a simple question, said, you cannot do these two. You cannot put these 2 things because it's like comparing antelopes and apatre. Or see, winning BB. That buttress my point. Oh, say to me, it is a ice blog. Ebeka sa ne nane. And Mwamu Musa Dankwa say from the day Mahama Winnie, nane approval rate. It does not make any sense. It does not connect to Asamna Yebusa on home. It is not about approval ratings. It is not about the day you enter parliament of office. It is about the candidature, the candidate, what the candidate carries, the weight. Now you have a candidate now or ye running mate for 8 years. Every single person in Ghana knew him because of his symposia and the symposium, because of his economic lecture, because of him touting himself to say he can take Ghana's the economic management to a different level. After that, another 8 years where he was given the nod to implement all that he said when he was in opposition for 8 years. The symposium, the symposia, the lectures now, man 8 years. We gave him the nod for 8 years to implement it. Now, this candidate we are talking about, Opese Odenoko compare J.A. Kufo, the numbers. This is a guy Bawumia who in 2024, NPP had 6.8 million votes in 2020. He dropped the vote from 6.8 million to 4.7 million. And so, this is a guy who was supposed to maintain a 137% parliamentary seat in parliament. He lost all and was left with 87. And you foolishly tell me that this candidate, we cannot say he has done bad. This is bomb. Bawumia is fush. It is fush. It is obiaya fush. Bawumia is bomb. When you do the analysis, this guy is not a presidential candidate. He cannot win against even a class prefect. If Akufo, who had never been a running mate, who never had the opportunity to sell himself and to be going around the nation and letting everybody know what he can do, was able to bring 66 votes, 66 parliamentary seats to parliament in his first trial, and even moved it from 1.5 million to 2.8 million. And you selling yourself for 16 years, and then you drop your vote the party had in 2020, which was 6.8 to 4.7, and then losing parliament of 137 to 87. You tell me that Bawumia is a candidate that we should rally around. Are you crazy? You are talking about power melting. Power melting. Now, if Bawumia was power, Bawumia or your power and kobe melting. Bawumia is just fush. He is fush. He does not represent anything. So what kind of analysis is this? You are justifying a failure? You are justifying his abysmal performance? There's no justification. Senka Bawumia candidature, and as Bawumia, the record, you wouldn't jump all the way to Akufo in 1996, 2000 to go and do comparison. You would have used another than Kweku Addo's numbers to justify why Bawumia needs to come again. But because you know Bawumia has broken every record in a negative, you could not even use 2016 and 2020 numbers. You had to jump all the way back about 20 years. Are you crazy? Akufo never got the opportunity to be somebody's vice president for running mate for 8 years. He never got the opportunity to be somebody's vice president for 8 years. Akufo just came into the limelight. He gave the NPP 66 seats in parliament, his first touch. So what are you talking about? Your analysis does not make any sense. Bawumia is fush. The guy cannot win power. Let's call a spade a spade. Your candidate is weak. The candidate is fush. You are justifying something that is unjustifiable. What are you doing, guys? I'm a politics. A waste of time. What are you trying to explain here? If you want us to go into the numbers, you will see that your candidate who is fush has no positive against his face or in his favor. In the MP before Montiasie, you people should not force us to get into the details, the numbers. When we go into the numbers, your party will collapse. Your party will go down the drain flat. You know that Bawumia, he is not a sellable candidate. You are doing this because you people feel say you have offended Ghanaians to the point where more something against Kennedy Agyapong. You want to continue with the criminality. It is a cartel that you people want to protect. That is all. The Akufo Addo cartel, no, you want to still push the agenda. Bawumia, you people know. Or your prencontra say Krampa, yento el Somalia. You people know. You want us to throw the numbers out there, and then I'm a catcher, no. Bawumia was just supposed to put a little bit to the 6.8 million numbers you got in 2020. Bawumia dropped it to 4.7. He came to meet a parliament of 137. If Bawumia believes, say, on any boss, he wouldn't have lost 137 seats all the way to 87 seats. You are selling fush to the people. Bawumia is fush. Stop the comedy. This childish thing and pretending, and be honest to each other. Bawumia is bad. It's a bad product. The same as Kennedy Agyapong. You people have rotten meat in front of you. You are selling carcass. Every single, you are all sankwas. None of the meat you are selling smells good. These are all decayed meats. Bawumia is fush. And let's stick to the fushness. Bawumia is fush that is powerful and potent, and it can scatter every room. Bawumia is fush, and that fush can scatter a room. People will hold their noses. Bawumia's fush is potent to destroy a whole nation. He is a fush candidate, or your fush.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.